going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Man, did you see the thumbnail? Did you see the thumbnail? Oh my God, I'm excited. I'm truly excited for so many reasons, man. Today, a lot of you guys know a lot of negative crap happens in my life, right? Like things get pretty bad, but I'm always holding on for a brighter tomorrow. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to what I'm saying there. Life can be really hard. It can be really difficult. It can push you to your limits to where you think you cannot endure anymore. And then the sun comes out, the rain stops and things start getting better. And that's kind of what today is. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow is a very exciting day for me because I bought a car sight unseen from an auction called eBay for $6,700. I bought a 2004 Mercury Marauder. It's got 99,000 miles on it. It has been dealer maintained its whole life. I've got the Carfax report. That thing has been maintained extremely well. And I'm really excited about it. I thought I owned all the Panther cars when I had the Crown Vic, the Grand Marquis, and the Lincoln Town Car, I currently have. And several of you commented and said, no, you don't have the Marauder. And I was like, the Marauder? Oh, the Marauder. Oh, yeah, that's right. The Cobra-powered SVT 32-valve 4.6. Yeah, that Marauder. I totally forgot that was a car. Now, if you don't know what the Marauder is, it's a phenomenal vehicle. It's basically a pursuit car. It's basically a PPV, a P71, with the engine that should have come in the P71. Am I the only one that feels that way? Am I the only one that feels like the Police Interceptor got screwed with a 2-valve 4.6 when it could have had the 4-valve 4.6? Yeah, so anyway, long story short, that's what the Marauder is. The Marauder is basically like fully loaded, decked out. It's got everything, all right? It's got absolutely everything, including the police package. So the bigger brakes, the stiffer suspension, yada, yada, yada. And on top of that, it beats the Crown Vic Police Interceptor because it's got a much more powerful engine. Now, it's not anything to write home about as far as horsepower and torque are concerned. It's like, 300 and something horsepower and probably around 320, 330 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know the specific numbers. I'm sitting in a truck right now. But what it is a phenomenal car, a rare car. The Marauder, it wasn't just made in 03 and 04. They've tried them, I think, in the 70s for a couple years. The 60s, they did it for a couple years. But the 04 and 03 Marauder were the last. Like, that was the end. That was the farewell to the full-size car, the body on frame type of vehicles that you just don't see anymore because everything is unibody now. I mean, it was the end of an era. And some of you probably remember the old Caprice from the 90s, right? What about the Impala SS? I think Chevy quit making those in 96. You remember the Impala SS? The 350 LT1, and that was a monster of a car. It's a great car. They were boats, they were tanks, they were reliable. And it's sad that they all went away. And you got to think Chrysler, they killed their boats off, probably 20 years before Chevy did. And then Ford, Lincoln Mercury, well, they killed theirs off with the end of the Crown Vic. So basically the Marauder was just a so long, farewell, It was kind of a last performance-minded, body-on-frame, full-size American boat. Muscle? Could we say muscle? It's 300-plus horsepower. We could call it muscle for back in the day. So I am truly excited to be going down there and picking up this car. Now, I'm going to tell you, as with all the cars I buy, it's not going to be perfect, and I already know this. So stay tuned, because tomorrow is going to be one hell of a day. I've got to be up at about 4 in the morning, We are all going to the airport where we're going to fly into Atlanta. From Atlanta, we're going to fly into Melbourne. And at some point from Melbourne, we got to go to a tag agency because I've got to get some kind of a Florida permit or something so that I can drive the car back without getting pulled over every 10 miles. And then I think I'm going to go try to enjoy a little bit of time with the family, take Jessica and my stepson and go to the beach and just try to relax a little bit, enjoy some time, enjoy the day. I've never been to Florida, so I want to go down there and just check it out. And then we're going to try to have a nice leisurely drive back. I haven't decided if I'm going to try to do any meet and greets or not. I don't know yet. All of this has kind of happened very, very fast, and I'm just surprised that everything has fallen into place for this to work. So that's the big reveal. We are going to bring home another Panther. So stay tuned. We'll probably do a reveal of the car, an actual video of the car, so I can show you all the, well, I don't want to call them quirks and features or anything, but I can definitely show you some of the things that are wrong with it, what we're going to have to do to correct them. So there it is. I hope that you're excited, because I'm excited, and quite honestly, I'm a little nervous. I mean, this is, it's kind of a big deal for me. I dropped $6,700 on this car on top of the airfare, hotel, gas to drive back. That thing's a beast. Food. This is an expensive video. In fact, it's probably the most expensive video series I've ever made, next to buying a house and remodeling a house to put a car lot in. Speaking of, we've got big news on the car lot coming up in the future too, so stay tuned for that video. I want to do that separately. I want to do that by itself because that's a very important video. Yeah, this car may make it, it may not. I don't know. Never seen it in person. I've never heard it run in person or anything. I'm literally going off of what somebody said in a eBay Motors advertisement. And the good news is I have the cashier's check on me. So if I don't believe the car is worth it, obviously I can just walk away from the deal. And then I guess I'll fly back home. That would really suck. So this trip, it could be interesting. We may fly out there and find out the car is not what it's supposed to be, and then we'll fly back. If I think the car is decent, I'm going to pick it up, because finding a Marauder in good condition with low miles, it's getting hard to do unless you're somebody that wants to spend $25,000. I am blown away by the amount of cars on the car market today, the Marauders, that people are literally asking $20,000 plus for. $20,000, and these cars have 50, 75,000 miles. They want $20,000 plus for a Marauder. Now, if you're going to get a Marauder, get the 2004. It's the last year, and it got an upgraded transmission, unless I'm wrong, but I'm pretty certain that in 2004, they upgraded the transmission in that. So, for me, I really wanted an 04. I found it. It's never been in an accident. There's no accident history, tons of service history. And I think I said before it was a one owner. It's a two owner. So it is a two owner car. So if I was mistaken about that, I definitely want to correct that right now. It is stock, OEM, no mods, nothing. And I think this is going to be a fun trip, because we're going to take a car we've never seen, we've never been in before. We're going to jump in it, and we're going to drive halfway across the country. So I'm excited to get this journey started. So I guess I'm going to get out of here. But what I need you to do is, if you're excited about this car, about bringing the last Panther, the Marauder, to the family, I need you to hit that like button. If you're excited to see this trip, to see this car, and to see if we can drive this thing from Florida all the way back to Oklahoma City, man, do me a favor, hit this like button, all right? Because we got this video revealing that we bought it today, and then I'll do another one revealing the car, doing the walk around, and we'll start this journey back home, and we'll cross our fingers that we make it, because I'm sorry, guys, AAA ain't going to tow me from Florida back to Oklahoma City. So if we do break down, it's well, we're just going to have to figure that out as we go, right? So that's part of the excitement of the trip, man. We're going to be traveling halfway across the country, going to Florida for the first time, picking up a car that I've never had before. And truly, you would think, having a brand new Corvette in the garage you would think that I'd be going, oh, a Marauder. No, man. Man, I love these old cars, like with a passion. I am very passionate about these old, forgotten cars. And I got something that's coming with the Marauder that was really a fairly limited edition, and it's a rare thing to find. Most people don't even know about it. So that's going to be coming in the future too. There's just so much content coming, and content with the dealership. Things are really going good right now, guys. And I am so happy. I am so excited, and I hope you are too, because I'm just thrilled to bring this new car to the family, the AAR family, and share the experience with all of you. So if you do enjoy this content, give the video a big thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down. Please, please don't hesitate to leave a comment on this video. If you've never commented before, leave your comment on this video. I want to see how excited you guys are to go pick up this new car and drive it all the way back here to Oklahoma. Now, stay tuned, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, because I'm going to be posting on there. I probably won't be posting on YouTube, but Facebook and Instagram, guys, auto auction rebuilds. If you want to see this car in person, I am going to try, no promises here, but I'm going to try to stop in maybe a couple major cities on the way back. And, I'll give you a time. Hey, I'll be here at this time at this location. You could come out and see the car firsthand for yourself, and maybe even be on video if we get a few people there. If I can get enough people there that want to look around, then, I'll do a video of your reaction of the car, and you can be included in an upcoming video. So I think that would be really cool. If you're interested in that, do me a favor, just comment below. Let me know this is something you guys want to do, and I'll do everything I can to make this all happen. I've really enjoyed making this video for you and all the videos that I've always made. I really do love what I do. I thank you guys for allowing me to do what I do for a living. There's nothing I'd rather do. So thank you all so much. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very soon in the next one. Florida bound tomorrow, baby. Florida bound.